Hi awesome people, welcome to my channel. I am Alexa Adun if you're just joining me for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video I'll be talking on two things. One is how to get copyright free music, and the other is how to know if you already have copyright claimable songs on your videos and how to fix that. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? First of all, you have to know what it means to have copyright claimable songs in your videos. This is what it means. It means you could get sued if the artist claims copyright to the song, or your videos could get taken down. And if you're already monetized as a channel, you don't get paid for that video. There's a high possibility you do not get paid for that video based on someone already claimed copyright to the song in it. So we just want to avoid all that, altogether, you get. So where can you get copyright free music? Yeah, the first option I'll put out there is if you know a channel that produces songs that have no copyright attached to them, you could go to the channel. I actually know one is lately inspired. He produces or makes really amazing sounds that you could use for your intro, background sound, and all that. And you could just go to his channel, Lakey Inspired. I'll leave the description somewhere in the description box, and you could go there, search for a song you want, and when you get the one you like, you either click on the link in the description box, because I think it usually leaves the link to your songs in the description for you to download them. You could do that, or you could copy the link of that video. Copy the link, then go to your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use. You go there, you search mp3 converter, and you can paste the link to that video on the, you see a space for that, and then you click on convert, and there you go, you have your mp3, actually you have your mp4 converted to mp3 for you, and you can use that sound. Just always giving credit. Lakey Inspired is a really amazing guy. But if you do know any other one, you could do that. If you know any other channel that gives great sounds without copyright claims, awesome. The second option I'll put out there is just go on YouTube. Go on YouTube and just type in the search bar copyright free music for my YouTube, or non-copyright music for my YouTube, and you see a couple of videos, a couple of search results, and you could just go through the videos, whichever sound you like. Do the same thing. Either they leave the link to the sounds in the description, or you could copy the link of that video, go to mp3converter.com and convert it to a sound, not a video. So yeah, those are the two major ways I know you can get non-copyright sounds or copyright free music. Now to the next part of the video, how to know if your videos you've already uploaded have copyright claims, and how to fix that before you get sued for all you have, or you get a video taken down, or you just don't get money if you're already monetized. Let's fix that now, shall we? So what you're going to do is you go to your browser, go to your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use, and if you're using a smartphone like I am using right now, and I use for my everything, if you're using a smartphone, you want to make sure it's on desktop site mode. You click on the top right corner, then you see the desktop site option, and you click on check, and then it turns to the old desktop site thing. Okay, and then you go to your channel, youtube.com, your channel, and you go to your studio and you click on videos. When you click on videos, you can check. I'll put something on the screen. I think it should already be on the screen. You could check for copyright claims. You could check for copyright claims. So my videos actually have no copyright claims, but if there was a problem, you would see copyright claims. I actually had a couple of videos, I think I had 2 or 3 videos, I think 3, that had that issue before, and I had to quickly fix them. And how do you fix them? You click on the video, then where you see copyright claim, you have 2 options. You're given 2 options. The first option, or one of the options, is that you can delete the sound only. Like if you were talking and then the sound was playing maybe in the background or something, you could have the option of deleting. You have the option of deleting just the background sound with copyright claim, and then your voice could still be heard. That's the option 1, but that usually takes longer, and that did not work for me, so I did the other one, and that's option 2. so you have to delete the entire, like wherever that sound was used, you just get to delete whatever sound goes with it, like mute. It's like muting the duration for which the sound plays. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say that if, let's say for instance, right now there's a sound playing in the background of this video and it has copyright claims, if I were to use the other option, my voice and the sound will be gone. That's the other option. And lucky enough, I was lucky enough, and in the videos where I had those copyright claimable sounds, I was not talking while the sound was playing, so it was easy for me to just delete the sound and I was still okay. The video was still okay. Nothing was really missing, just songs. And yeah, that's how you fix it. Do not forget to go check out my other videos on mistakes you should avoid as a beginner YouTuber and YouTube struggles. I can definitely relate with, and I'm sure most of you can as well. So check that out, and that is it for this video. Remain awesome, and yeah, remain awesome. Bye.